Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Essentials Mesh Office Chair. Features: incredible value mesh office chair with a sculpted ergonomic mesh back and a deep padded air mesh seat. Lifting the lever operates the gas seat height adjustment. By pulling the lever out, the seat will recline freely. Pressing it in again will lock the seat in the upright position. The weight tension controller adjusts the tilt tension to suit your body weight. The Essentials Mesh Office Chair includes a large 5-star chrome base with 2-wheel hooded casters and durable fixed armrests for user comfort. A TUV and BIFMA-tested gas lift supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. 1-year manufacturer's guarantee for 8 hours per day use. Available from stock and delivered flat packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.